the spiritual relationships are eternal. The spiritual master manifests himself for some time and guides his disciples, teaches his disciples, and establishes their connections with Krishna. And then he becomes unmanifest. The Guru, the spiritual master, has two aspects: manifest aspect and unmanifest aspect. When he is present on the planet, he is manifest. And when he leaves this planet, he becomes aprokot or unmanifest. And what he actually gives, he gives Krishna. Guru's business is to give Krishna by establishing the relationship between the disciple and Krishna, and he acts as the via medium. And in that respect, a guru has two features. One is his vapu, or the physical form, and the other is the vani, his instructions. The physical form may come and go, but the instruction aspect of the spiritual master is eternal. And as long as the disciple follows the instructions of the spiritual master, he is connected to his spiritual master, whether the spiritual master is manifest or unmanifest.